Hello friends, welcome to TechGuru. This is our first video on YouTube. So today we will learn how we can enable or install Telnet client on Microsoft Windows 10. As all you know, Telnet is a client-server protocol based on reliable connection-oriented transport. Microsoft has have this feature as default. You just need to enable. So before we begin to install the Telnet, we'll try, we already have the application installed already or not. So that for that, you have to open your command prompt and you will get a new window. Just type over here Telnet. As you can see that Telnet is not recognized as an internal or external command operable program or bash file. So that means on my PC Telnet is not yet enabled. So to enable that, I'm just closing this one and go back to my PC, then press start button, go to your control panel, go to uninstall a program. From here you have to go to turn Windows features on or off. I have to wait for a bit, sometimes depends on your PC. Okay, just scroll down and just tick Telnet client and press OK. Now it start to search for the required files, and it will automatically start the changes. Now the feature installation has been completed. If you're first time here, please don't forget to support and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now we will go back to our command prompt and just try telnet. As you can see here, welcome to Microsoft Telnet client, and you can do whatever the IP address or port numbers you want to check, you can do that. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.